Just picked up my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Gonna go home and open this up. Come along if you want to see. So last year I got the iPhone 14 Pro non-max, and I really missed having the longer battery life, especially with all the photo and video work I do. I chose the white titanium color. I was a little bummed there wasn't more color options in the Pro. Would love a pink option, but not yet. Of course, the biggest difference about the 15 Pro is the USB-C port. So this phone comes with a USB-C cable. I don't know about you guys, but for this one, it took me a long time to get my phone set up. For whatever reason, transferring the phone number failed, location services wasn't enabling. It's been kind of clunky this year. Did that happen to you guys? Of course, it comes with the usual stuff, instructions, sticker, etc. Now let's take a look at this titanium finish. It's very shiny. I like the difference. It looks very premium. Of course, the Pro Max gets the better camera with even more optical zoom. Also new is this action button. I'm really excited to have this as a super fast way to get to the camera app. So I know one of the biggest selling points of the titanium material was how light it was, and it's no joke. The 15 Pro Max is significantly lighter than the smaller phone last year. So definitely stoked for this. That's all I got for this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and a subscribe. I'm really trying to hit my 1,000 subscribers, so please help me out. Thanks!